Well, I had somebody say I should film more things in the kitchen. So, this is a helpful tip. This is going to be hamburgers, and I put my finely chopped onions, my breadcrumbs, my Worcestershire sauce, my salt and pepper, and all the things I want, the seasonings that I want in my hamburger and the breadcrumbs. And I'm going to mix this up, but I'm going to show you how I make my patties, because there's a few people I've told, and I think it's a good tip for people. It took me a long time to learn how to do this, so, and I think it's a pretty neat tip. Oh, I also put raw garlic in my onions to cook. I used my garlic press that I showed you in one of my previous videos, and I put a half a garlic in this pound of hamburger. And if I was doing more, I would put some egg in it, but with 1 pound of hamburger, that would be too much. So anyway, let me show you how I do the patties. First thing that I did was I divided into 6 chunks out of this pound, and you might want to do 4 if you're using regular burger. This is goat burger, so it doesn't get as small, but you might want to do 1/4 pound burgers. And so you divide it, put it into balls, and then you want two plates, and they'll have a circle in the bottom and a piece of wax paper. You take the ball, put on the wax paper, fold the other paper over, and you push down, and there's your patty. It makes a nice, even patty. That's not real thick, and it fries up to be a really good size patty. And if you want it extra thin, you can push it down more. And if you have more of it, it's going to cover more. If you do the 1/4 pounder, it's going to cover a little more of the plate. But that's the tip. And then you just take it off of here, put it in, and fry it. I have to put butter in mine because it's goat burger. And you just fry it up. So there they are, my burgers. I'm going to put, when we're ready, I'm making a salad right now. When they're ready, I'm going to put them back in the pan, heat them up, put a piece of cheese on to melt. I boiled up some macaroni and eggs, and making a macaroni salad with some onions and celery, mayonnaise, seasonings, salt and pepper, sugar, and I'm going to put a little fresh garlic in it. We eat garlic and everything lately. So anyway, I didn't have any pickles, but we've been trying to eat a lot of celery, so I'm going to make it with celery. So thanks for watching. You guys have a great day, and I hope that tip on how to make burgers helps. Bye.